We are here in Queenstown, New Zealand. This is the spot to go to if you're into extreme sports, bungee jumping, jet boating, parachuting. These people behind me, they're about to get on the K-Jet boat and get super wet. We're gonna get on a boat soon.
Not in a sexual way. What's up, guys? We're here. We're here in Queenstown, New Zealand's tourism and adventure capital in the country. It took us a year and 10 months to finally get here. I got new UGG boots.
Typically, Queenstown is chock-a with people, but right now, being in the season of COVID, there's no international tourism. There's a lot of domestic tourism, like this here. This is Queenstown when it's dead. So yeah, that's Queenstown. Bungee jumping, Ferg burger, jet boating, parachuting, luging, and look at that view. I'm sure it's better on a clear day, but... Wow, what is that?
Dark chocolate and macadamia.
Uh-huh.
And banana split.
I ordered a long black. I need it. I'm so tired. And it's like, how am I gonna shoot a vlog if I can't talk to the camera?
Yeah, nothing like an LV.
I didn't stir because I don't want to like ruin the crema. Yeah,
Okay.
you can stir.
Oh, like
Wait, much needed caffeine. Good long black. It's just what I need. It's just what this needs.
Don't dip it in your coffee.
Would you be mad if the ice cream fell?
I would.
Queen's Tizown. Alright, I got my coffee. I've broken my zombie mode and now I've reverted to just normal mode.
How about beast mode?
Don't even get me started on beast mode.
Oh god.
I woke up in beast
Getting
mode.
corny.
I woke up in beast mode with my girl that's Beauty in the Beast.
He's not made of chocolate. I tried. There's no chocolate in there. There's no chocolate. I'm made of chocolate. Yep, I'm more awake now.
Yeah, I could tell.
At least now we could see the top of the mountain. Hi, bird. Now you know you're in a vacationer's destination when you see one of these stores. The lose-lose. The lose-lose.
Lose is lose, huh? Absolutely lose is lose.
It's no secret, Queenstown is expensive. This is the popular destination in the entire country. There's no other place more popular for tourism than Queenstown, New Zealand. That being said, when it came time to book our accommodation, we were thinking, holy shiza, this is gonna cost us an arm and a leg. Accommodation is gonna be so expensive. And ironically enough, because of COVID, there's actually a lot of accommodations that are sitting empty. So we booked the cheapest accommodation. How much was it?
$75 for 2 people for 2 nights.
$75 to stay at a pod hostel for 2 people for 2 nights. So out of all the stops on our South Island tour, believe it or not, Queenstown was the cheapest in accommodation. $18.50 for eggs on toast. You know you're in Queenstown when?
Or scrambled eggs.
Does it come with that big bottle of Veuve Clicquot? Veuve Clicquot? Typical South Island fashion went from overcast to a little sunny to clear to now cloudy and raining, and the mountain just disappeared. And we're about to get on a boat.
To go look at that mountain.
Wakatipu? Am I saying that right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I guess so.
Today is the last day for this week, so next one will be Thursday. How long are you gonna stay here for?
We're leaving tomorrow.
Yeah, I'm sorry, we're gonna cancel this booking for you, so you get full refund from Book Me.
Yeah. Plus
Okay.
you can't
Yeah, and
You
the
can't
weather
see
is
anything.
not
You can't see
enjoyable. Exactly.
Yeah.
So yes, you don't need to do anything.
Okay.
We're canceling right now.
Okay.
And once we cancel, you will receive a cancellation letter. And
Okay.
then it might take 5 working days to get your refund to,
Okay.
to your card.
Okay.
Boat tour got canceled because of the crappy weather, so we're just going around Queenstown, trying to amuse ourselves, doing some window shopping. Yeah, it sucks. So we're just killing time. And Ling found a rain jacket though. Kathmandu. Nice.
Salmon colored.
Mm-hmm.
You want me to see? You want to see me in it?
Sure. Wow.
I sound like a plastic bike.
Okay, get it. On sale?
$50
$50.
instead of $150.
Cool.
I don't wanna work 9 to 5.
I still stand by Polly's Diner being the best burger in all of New Zealand, but Ferg Burger has claimed the title of best burger in New Zealand, so I have to try it before I can really say that Polly's is the best burger. I just want to know what's the hype behind Ferg Burger. But we are going to find out. So I'm debating, I don't know if I should go beef or if I should go with the recommended burger, the Little Lammy, which is high country lamb, mint jelly, lettuce, tomatoes, red onion, aioli, and tomato relish. The Sweet Bambi, which is wild Fiordland deer, is also a recommended choice. Deer or lamb?
We'll get one of each.
Okay, one of each.
Names?
Mark?
1930.
Cool.
Order number will go on the screen about when it's ready in 15 minutes.
Cool.
Just if you're waiting inside, you need to be sitting down, okay?
All right, sounds good. Even Ed Sheeran says that Ferg Burger is the best burger in New Zealand. Ed Sheeran, best burger in New Zealand. Thank you. The moment of truth. Look at that, baby. So this is the Little Lammy Burger. Good quality lamb. How's your burger?
Very gamey.
Really gamey?
But if it wasn't deer, there'd be nothing to say about it.
Ling likes the lamb. I like the deer. I'm sold on the deer. Deer's pretty good.
Can I have another bite of it?
We are stuffed. We are
Pretty full, but
not. You could still eat some more.
no, that wasn't really.
Didn't quite hit the spot, eh? Ferg Burger was exactly what I expected it to taste like. It didn't surprise me in any way. Polly's, I still love you. You guys are still number one in my
Polly
books.
number one.
Your smashed beef patty, which makes the edges nice and crispy, balanced with the jalapeno jam and the chipotle mayo and that nice shiny bun compressed together. It's something that has a vision, and that's why I like Polly's Diner a lot more. Ferg Burger seems to rely on high-end ingredients. The wild Fiordland deer was delicious. Ling found it a bit too gamey. I didn't taste too much of the gaminess of it, but it was pretty decent. As an overall package, Ferg Burger is second to Polly's Diner. I think I'm just ultimately biased to liking Polly's Diner forever.
It just feels like Polly's, like if they want you to taste chipotle mayo, or they want you to taste, what was the other one? Jalapeno jam.
Mm-hmm.
You actually tasted exactly what they wanted you to taste, you know? This burger, supposed to have mint jelly, didn't taste it. And if you look at their menu, every single burger has lettuce, red onion, and aioli. So regardless of what the meat is, regardless of what the special sauce is,
They
there's
just
those
they'll throw those
and
ingredients
they
in.
don't add anything to it, really. Like
Right.
there's no added value to any of those things.
High quality
Didn't taste like
ingredients
anything.
don't make it necessarily the best burger. Polly's wins because they've got the vision. When I talk about Polly's, I'm talking about the chili cheeseburger. That burger is kind of like a machine that they've test drove and tweaked and fixed, and they've fine-tuned it to this perfect specimen, and it can't be topped.
The Ferg business is now a bakery, and it's a bar, and it's a gelato place, and
It's
it's a burger
expanded.
place.
I don't know. I can't speak for a Ferg Burger in their early days. Maybe when they were starting out and they were still small, operating out of the garage. But now they've expanded to the point where they're kind of just like a Five Guys or like an In-N-Out.
Five Guys is better.
There are people that work for them, but it's not their company. Versus Polly's, the same 3-4 guys. 2 of them are brothers. They own the spot, and they give amazing service every time. So Polly's wins in every respect across the board. I just had to try Ferg Burger to know for sure, and it just confirms that.